channel. If this is your first time seeing me, my name is Maames, and thank you once again for joining me today. So today's video is going to be on my deep skincare routine when I've been through a long week, or I've had a stressful week, or a whole week of really full-blown makeup and I just need to pamper my face a bit. It might be a little bit complicated for some of you out there. Not everybody can afford going to a spa because it can be pretty expensive. So take this as your personal home pampering spa day. Bearing in mind there's an intensive facial treatment, so it is a little bit detailed, but I'm gonna take you through the things I'm gonna be using and then we'll start the process. But before I do that, I'm gonna ask you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and if this is your first time, I guarantee you that you're gonna be back. Right, so for the treatment, I'm gonna be using this facial sauna. It's just a steamer. It comes in parts, so when you get it in the box, it has the base where you can put the water in, a measuring cup, and it also came with this. So this is more for like your nasal respiration, you know, when you have a cold. So this is really good for congestion and things like that. So I'm going to be using this today. It is pretty big because my whole face actually fits in there. So the steps are going to be cleansing, you steam, you mask, any mask of your choice, and then you tone, and then you moisturize. Those are the basic steps. I'm gonna cleanse with this Roche Posay Lipid Replenishing Cream Wash. Okay. I'm just going to massage it into my face. The good thing about these brushes are that really go into your pores and then cleanse your skin out. So you feel really refreshed and you feel like your skin has been thoroughly cleansed. I'm gonna go ahead and then rinse it. So my next step would be to scrub. Now you can actually skip this process, it's optional. I like to include it because I want the full package. So for scrubbing, I'm gonna be going into my St. Ives Blemish Control Apricot Scrub. I really like this scrub because it's very basic. You can use it every single day, and it just really works for me. Again, I'm just going to be really gentle with this and using my fingers, just the balls of my fingertips. Concentrate around my jawline, around my cheeks, and then my forehead. Time to rinse it off. Now, for those of you that don't have electric steamers, what you can do is you can just go the old school way, and this means you just get a big bowl. You make sure that you have a flat surface, boil some water, and then you pour it into the plastic bowl, and then you grab yourself a really big towel and then just drape it over your head. You can do this for about 5, 10, 15 minutes. I'm just gonna do this for about 10 minutes and then I will move on to the next step. So this is after 10 minutes and my face feels really refreshed. The pores are open now and ready for the next step. And this next step is also optional. If you want to go ahead from here and then tone and moisturize, that's absolutely fine. I like to mask at this point. Now for masking, you can either use honey or you can just use your old normal mask. I like to go for the clay masks because they help to draw up impurities. I'm gonna be using this detoxifying facial mask, and it's from Superdrug, and it's from normal to oily skin. So at this point you can grab a magazine, put your feet up, grab a cup of tea, give yourself 10-15 minutes, and just allow the mask to do its work. I am just going to proceed now to the toning. I have been using this Eau Preceuse. It's French and it's a lotion for combination to oily skin. It serves as a toner for me. This for me I think is a really important step because it tightens your pores, it helps close up your pores, balances out your skin again, and then you can just moisturize now. Before I moisturize, I am going to use my serum, and this is a hyaluronic acid serum. It's also from Roche Posay. It gives you a youthful appearance and it just revitalizes your skin. It has a really nice smell. I don't mind the smell. I know some people are really fussy about, you know, serums with smells, but this has a really nice cucumber smell to it, which I like. And it's really silky on the skin. I like it. I like the feel of it. It feels like, you know, your skin is being drenched in water. It just feels like your skin is being hydrated and it's being pampered and all that goodness. You're getting all the nutrients and your skin is just going to be plumped back to life. So at this point, I'm just going to try this cream. It's a spring water cream. It's a thermal spring water cream. Now, Roche Posay is actually known for that, including some spring water in their stuff. So I'm going to be trying this out. It's also for sensitive skin. It's a moisturizer, and this is just the sample size. If you have the luxury of going to a spa, then you know what I mean. I mean, I've done a few spas, and to be quite honest, some spas actually use their own products, and that's fine. But I like to know what's going into my skin. I like to have control over what goes into my skin. I like to know the ingredients. And some spas, you actually go and you come back and your face is actually worse. So if you can do this at home yourself, I mean, it's a plus, because this way you're controlling, you know exactly what you're putting on your face, and you know exactly what your skin is going through. I mean, if you have never been to a spa, or you've always wanted to try and do like a face treatment, this is a great way to do it at home, to get your skin refreshed and back to normal, especially when you had a really tiring week and you just need to relax. It's so relaxing. My skin feels so good. It just feels really soft, like a baby's bottom. This is the whole process. This is what I do. It's like a spa day, but at home. When you have a good base like this and you look after your skin, putting on foundation, putting on makeup is just an added bonus. You realize that, you know, once you have a really good base or your skin treatment is on lockdown, you don't need a lot of product to look radiant. Do you know what I mean? I hope this has been helpful for you, and I hope that you've enjoyed this. So I'll see you guys again in my next video. Bye.